Pack your electronics for a move by documenting setups, protecting components, and organizing cables so reconnection is fast and damage is minimized. Start by photographing the back and sides of every device and its cable layout from multiple angles so you can restore connections without guessing. Label each cable and port with matching tags using clear, numbered stickers and a simple list that ties each number to a device name and room. Whenever possible, use original packaging. If not available, wrap items in anti-static foam or polyethylene foam and place fragile components in snug boxes with at least 2 inches of cushioning on all sides. Remove all batteries, including coin cells and rechargeable packs. Place them in labeled bags and tape the battery compartments closed to prevent shorting and corrosion. For flat screens, place a soft cloth over the panel, then use cardboard corner supports and a rigid sheet on the front and back to avoid pressure points during handling. When packing small accessories like remotes, adapters, and memory cards, group them in clear zip bags and tape the bags to the corresponding device box so nothing gets separated. 3 common mistakes are skipping documentation, which leads to long downtime and mismatched cables. Fix this by taking clear photos and writing a short connection map for each device. Another is using the wrong packing materials, such as newspaper, which can trap moisture and cause scratches. Use anti-static wrap and closed cell foam instead. The third is leaving batteries installed, which risks leakage and fire during transit. Always remove batteries and store them separately in labeled bags. We run bighomeprojects.com and we help homeowners find local contractors and post projects related to electronics disconnection and packing. Our community discussion boards let us share tips, ask questions, and connect with contractors who can assist with disconnection, packing, and safe transport.